XRP is about to take over the world. XRP is about to take over the banking world. It's about to take over even more of the movement of money between companies, between governments, financial institutions, commercial businesses, you name it. It's literally about to explode. Well, Austin, nothing's going on right now. That's my point. Nothing is going on right now. But you need to have your ducks in a proverbial row. Are you invested in XRP? Have you added to your bag? Because quite frankly, you're going to look back and you're going to go, man, I wish I would have bought XRP when it was $3.13 or when it was $4 and $5, whatever it may be, because it will go up. Now I'm going to give you and show you a couple of the main puzzle pieces that are there. And we're going to talk about everything. If you don't see it or you don't believe in it, then I have to question, like, what are you thinking? What are you seeing? And if you don't believe in XRP, I'm going to question, why are you here watching an XRP video? So, all right, let's get into this. As always, thanks for giving me a few minutes. Look, please like, please subscribe. And if you're watching this over on X, please give me a follow, because I bring you XRP content every single day with two goals: keep you informed so you can go about your life, do the things that are important to you. And secondly, to help you make more money in crypto. Okay. And by the way, I'm going to show you how you can make even more money in crypto here in a little bit. So don't leave and stay for the whole video. Okay. So this is a piece of the puzzle. Just in, Morgan Stanley CEO says the bank is quote, working with regulators to offer crypto transactions. So let that sink in for a minute. We have never seen any type of a piece of information from this, especially from the CEO, now coming out. Why? Because the entire political landscape is now been wiped clean. We've gotten rid of the Biden administration of Gary Gensler, the head of the SEC, all that anti-crypto rhetoric, anti-crypto, weaponization of the Department of Justice. All of that is gone. So now what you see is banks who have wanted to have something to do with Ripple, with XRP, with crypto coming out. So what does it mean? Crypto transactions. Well, who else with transactions? Ripple? Yeah. Bank of America CEO says financial industry will, quote, jump into crypto payments if regulators allow it. Are you starting to see the pieces? This is all out there. It's all out there if you see it. Well, Austin, how come it's not moving the price of XRP right now? Seriously? It's not about right now. Why? I want the price to go up now. Well, I do too. But what you have to understand is that nothing moves at the speed of light, especially when you're dealing with banks, with the government, with SEC. I'm making this video so that you understand the gravity and how big this is. Okay? How big this is going to be. I want you to understand that this is massive, that you are about to see mass adoption in the banking sector for crypto. I even saw something the other day, yesterday in fact, that talked about the fact that we could see Ripple tie into and ultimately maybe replace the base layer of what banks use. It's called SWIFT, which is a $35 trillion system. This is massive. And no, it's not going to happen tomorrow. And if you're looking for it to happen tomorrow, my question to you be, seriously, it's not about tomorrow. This is about you own XRP, and a year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, it's worth $50, $60, $70, $80, $90. That's what this is about. It's about you understanding how big of an opportunity has been unlocked for us as XRP and to an extent XLM, XRP holders. It's big. Add into that SEC Crypto 2.0, putting together a new crypto task force. Hester Pierce is the commissioner, is going to head it up. This is going to give clear and regulatory framework for crypto assets. I don't know. Who's waiting on working with regulators to get regulation clarity? Morgan Stanley CEO. Bank of America CEO. The SEC has just put together a task force to address this one thing. The pieces of the puzzle are there if you just look and you see the value. So what does this mean? Me, I'm buying. I continue to buy XRP. Me, I buy XLM. I have bought XLM. Bought more XLM. I continue to buy those cryptos that are going to directly benefit from the tidal wave of adoption that's coming. Hopefully, maybe now you see it a little bit more clearly. It's all there. And it's not happening today. It's not happening in the next 10 minutes. It's not happening tomorrow. But that actually is a good thing. It gives you time to maybe pump your bags a little bit, to get more into the game, to go, okay, I get it more. All right, I see it. More information to follow. This is big.